Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to replace the auxiliary battery on a 2020 Jeep Gladiator easy method. Park the truck, set the brake, and disconnect the aux battery negative terminal first. I will guide you step by step through locating the auxiliary battery, removing the hold down, and swapping in the new unit safely. Follow along at a steady pace, keep your tools handy, and I will explain common gotchas and quick tips to finish confidently. Start by popping the hood and finding the auxiliary battery near the passenger firewall. After disconnecting the negative cable first, remove the positive cable and set connectors aside in a clean spot. Unbolt the hold-down bracket and lift the battery straight out, keeping it level to avoid acid contact. I will mention how to manage corroded terminals and share a quick trick for stubborn bolts so you won't get stuck halfway through the job. Place the replacement auxiliary battery in the tray, confirming the terminal orientation matches the old one. Secure the hold-down bracket so the battery won't shift during off-road driving, then reconnect the positive cable first and the negative cable last. After connections, check for firm clamps and a clean terminal surface, and start the vehicle to confirm proper operation. I will also cover resetting any electronics if needed and offer one maintenance tip to extend battery life.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.